cables, especially the construction of cable we have. So general or typical cable construction, it is shown in this particular diagram. Conductor, so strained copper conductor, this is the insulation that is impregnated paper. So especially I told you that paper insulation, it is used in cables. It is good than that of impregnated paper insulation is good than that of rubber, but it needs a covering. Impregnation may decrease the moisture content, but there are chances of getting moisture entered, so that lead sheet is provided over the paper insulation. Okay, and then serving it is provided. So low tension cable. This is low tension cable, so no armoring and all other things are provided over here. Central portion, always it is a conductor. Now this is single core cable. If we have more than depends upon the number of conductors, 2 core, 3 core, 4 core cables you may have. Then this particular cable, it is having simple construction. Then you may have high tension cable. So high tension cable, especially we are using for 11 kV or 22. This is what is low tension. Voltage level is 415 volts. Voltage level is maximum 415 volts. Means 415 volts we are using this LT cables. HT cables we are using 11 kV or 22 kV. We may use for 66 kV also. So belted cables up to 22 kV. Screen cables up to 66 kV. Beyond 66 kV you are having the pressure cables. So the construction of these ST cables. So this is a belted cable. So in which you are having the 3 core cable. So these are the 3 cores. You are having this insulation provided in between the conductors. Are you able to see this clearly? So this is insulation provided. Especially this is a paper belt or paper insulation in between. Why it is provided? Because of this is having good dielectric strength compared to rubber, and it is expected that there must be a sufficient thickness of insulation. Take chota arrow दाखवलेलं बघा. Thickness of the insulation between the conductor must be sufficient that there should not be leakage current, flow of leakage current in between the conductor, or there should not be inter conductor fault. What we can say, line to line, किंवा याच्यामध्ये line to line. So this thickness of paper, it is you have to decide or design accordingly. Then you know that when there is a paper insulation, there is need of covering. So lead sheath covering it is provided. Then this particular insulation, this is particular between the conductor and ground, between this conductor and ground. So you are having paper, lead sheath, then you are having this particularly the insulation which is provided, maybe rubber or maybe PVC or maybe external serving. What this thickness is directly depend upon the voltage between conductor and ground. This thickness is according to the voltage between two conductors. Okay. So cross-sectional view and the construction of cable you can see clearly. Then for high voltage you are having the screen cable. So screened cable material, it is preferred metallized paper. So especially thin aluminum foils struck on insulating paper. So these are the particular papers applied over the conductor as an insulation. So screen cable may be S-type or SL type cables. One simple construction of S-type cable it is shown over here. So S-type cable. So this is 3-core cable. Okay. Are you able to see this 3-core cable? S-type cable. Okay. So middle you are having the conductor, conducting portion. So this particular conductor, this is conductor belt. हे सगळे कंडक्टर याच्यामध्ये बाउंड केलेले आहेत. This is a insulation over individual conductor, that is paper insulation provided. Then every conductor is having metal screen, that is aluminum foil, metal screen. Then you are having the conducting belt, so this is entire conductor section. Okay, so basic cable is this particular one. Then over this you are having the lead sheet provided. Lead sheet provided. Then you are having the bending provided. Bending. Then you are having the armoring provided, because of this is HT cable, needs to expose for high mechanical strength, high mechanical stresses. So armoring is provided. And then last is serving insulation, it is provided. So the insulation, especially the cores are spaced such that the core of conductor means only this portion. Cores in this core or conductor itself is spaced such that metallic screens may contact with each other. So this particular assembly, it is copper woven fabric tape, that belt is wrapped, that is a conductor belt. Okay. And then it is covered with a lead sheet. Especially in this particular metallic common conducting belt, as shown in this particular figure, the 3-core screen, metallic common conducting belt and lead sheath are electrically in contact as earth potential. That is very important. What I told you, all 3-core screens, that is provided. स्क्रीनिंग ऑफ हे सगळं स्क्रीनिंग आहे पेपर इन्सुलेशनच्या वर. मेटॅलिक स्क्रीन इथे दिसतंय, दिस मेटॅलिक स्क्रीन. ओके, दिस मेटॅलिक स्क्रीन, दे आर इन कॉन्टॅक्ट. हे याच्या कॉन्टॅक्ट मध्ये आहे, याच्या कॉन्टॅक्ट मध्ये आहे, आणि दे आर ॲट अर्थ पोटेन्शियल. दे आर ॲट अर्थ पोटेन्शियल म्हणजे दिस पर्टिक्युलर, इफ यू मेजर द insulation between, or if you say the voltage between earth and conductor, voltage between earth and conductor, so all these are at earth potential. So that is the screening it is done. So that's why it is called as a screen cable. There are two advantages of this screening, that possibility of whites eliminated. Whites means there are certain, do you know whites? Whites are whites means especially while constructing the cable, it is very important that conductor may not be a circular, or if it is a circular, there is some space in between the conductor, so that it is needed to eliminate such voids, such empty pockets. So empty pockets, very small empty pockets, which are filled with air or some other material, may act as a dielectric material or capacitor, and there may be a storage of the charge, may cause deterioration of the insulation. So possibility of voids, that is to be eliminated. Minute spacing, so that minute spacing should be eliminated. That is done by the screening, and it increases the heat dissipating power of the cable. We know that every cable we have the heat dissipating factor. Though the cable is having lower rating, but sometimes because of the heat dissipation, if we have more voids or more porosity in this cable, normally what happens, the heat development will be more. कारण त्याला आपण dielectric heat म्हणतो, because of the dielectric loss. The heat developed may be more and may cause breakdown of the insulation, maybe paper, maybe PVC or any other type of insulation, whatever. Increases the heat. So heat dissipation, that is also done by the screen. Okay. In SL type cables, especially, meaning of SL, that is separate lead. Separate lead. So separate lead covering is provided over here. That is particular thing, lead covering. So it is just S type, but only change is the separate lead it is provided. there is no common overall sheath. The remaining two layers are usual as that of bending, armoring, serving as shown in the other S type of cable. Due to separate lead sheath, the possibility of core to core breakdown, possibility of इथे lead sheath covering provide केल्यामुळे possibility of lead to core to core म्हणजे conductor to conductor breakdown or conductor to conductor short किंवा त्याला line to line fault म्हणतो. The possibility of such type of faults will get reduced. So due to separate lead sheath that it is provided. Moreover, the cable becomes more flexible as no common overall lead sheath it is provided. Separate lead sheath is provided. So, but cable should be carefully manufactured due to thin lead sheaths. So, हे lead sheath परत तुमचे bend नाही झाले पाहिजे. Lead sheaths are very thin. It must be continuous. Precautions is to be taken. Armoring other parts are same as that of. Then you are having pressure cables beyond 66 kV. These SL type cables or H type cables we can use up to 22 kV, but for more than these voltage levels we need pressure cable or super voltage cables. Super voltage cables are provided for high voltage, and as far as we have discussed above, these cables are filled with oil or gas. So oil and gas, these are nothing but insulators. Gas म्हणजे कुठला तुमचा SF6 असेल, sulfur hexafluoride किंवा insulating oil. इथे oil म्हणजे don't consider the simple oil or don't consider the any type of gas. Insulating gas is sulfur hexafluoride and oil is insulating oil. So oil pressure cable, or you may have gas pressure cables. So these cables are used for high voltage. Formation of such cables, that wires especially, we know that they are get filled with this either oil or either your dielectric gas. Dielectric strength it is increased and possibility of earth fault it is decreased. So construction of such type of cable. So here it is oil duct provided. Oil duct, paper insulation, lead sheath, bending, serving and conductors. So these are the conductors. So such type of construction. This is a conductor. Here centrally you are having oil duct. You may have duct for sulfur hexafluoride gas. This is another type of construction. So single core conductor channel with oil filled cable. Single core sheath channel oil filled cable. Okay, here you are having the conductors. Then you are having the paper insulation provided. And here you are having the oil channel provided. These are oil channel provided. Ducts आहेत सगळ्या. So इथे oil channel it is provided. Increase the insulation. Okay. This may be another construction. These are the conductors. These are the paper insulators. These are the lead sheaths. Then oil ducts are provided over here. Oil ducts are provided. Okay. So oil cables. Then gas pressure cable. Gas pressure cables. Here it is nitrogen gas किंवा sulfur hexa. इथे nitrogen म्हटलंय पण sulfur hexafluoride gas is more having more dielectric strength. कदाचित तो थोडा महाग पण आहे. So nitrogen gas, sulfur hexafluoride gas filled cable. Then you are having the conductors, paper insulator, then lead sheath. So all this, and this cable conductor belt. So external pressure gas filled cable. So such type of different cables are used. This may use up to 66 kV. You may have oil filled or gas filled cables. If you use sulfur hexafluoride, your high dielectric strength oil, we may have cables up to 132 kV, 110 kV we can use. Okay. Only difficulty is that very high cost. These oil filled or gas filled or pressure cables are having very high cost. So normally we are not going for cable distribution with high voltages more than 22 kV. Okay. Any doubt?